Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Mieko. Today we are going to do 5 minutes desk routine. So I know you work so hard, computer, document at your office. But sometimes you need a rest. Your body needs rest and reset to your mind. Let's do this. Okay, let's go sitting nice and tall. Place your both hands on your stomach and breathe in, breathe out. I want you to start feeling your abdomen moving in and out. Without moving your spine. This is already work out for your inner unit, core work. Last one more time. And relax. Move your hip a little bit front of a chair so your hamstring is not stuck. And bring your both hands top of your pelvis, and we are going to do pelvic clock on your chair. Breathe in, breathe out. Legs are apart, maybe around 6 inches or just 1 fist between. Think about 12 o'clock, your navel, 6 o'clock, pubic bone pointing. This exercise is great. You can feel that loosen up your lower back. Last one more time. And find yourself neutral. And put your ribs top of your pelvis and head. Reset your alignment from desk work. Left arms up and bend the elbow. Pressing down, stretch your arms. Stay nice and tall. 3, 2, 1. From here, I want you turning your body to the other side. You feel nice to stretch your side. Eyes can be up if you need. And a little bit come forward, round the back. Stretch your back side. And then come back center. Other arms. Straight fast. Breathe. Three, 2, 1. Now side. Push your hip down. Elbow going to other side of your hip. And round the back. Your pelvis going to 12 o'clock. And then come back center. Cross your arms in front of your chest and let's rotate your spine. I don't know how many hours you were sitting and working, but your body now is so happy to move. Last one more time. Come back center. Hands behind. I want you to go extend your spine, open your heart. Feel nice, stretch your chest, look up. Now breathe in, breathe out. One more time. And come back center. Lower your shoulder. From your scapula, upper back. Other side. and sit in the center. Bring your right hand behind and pull head to the left. Stretch your neck and gently move your head forward. And other side, pull head. Chin forward a little bit. And then come back center. Find yourself good alignment. And one breathe in through nose. Breathe out. How did you feel? You feel reset everything, and next hour, maybe you can go back to work. Thank you for joining me again. Whole routine you can do anytime, anywhere, when you and your body need. See you next time.